Hi guys, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Earth to produce 3D models through Photogrammetry. To start off with, we want to open up Google Earth Pro and we want to head straight to our coordinates. I've chosen Sydney My Music Bowl in Melbourne today for as an example. So right there. And what we want, once we have our location, we want to make sure we are in bird's eye view, so directly overhead to start off with. So what we're going to do first is create a path. Just going to click add path. We're going to name what our path is going to be called. Then we can start tracing a path for which we want our camera to fly through. Once we have completed our path, we want to go over to altitude and change this to relative to ground, and then we want our path to be sitting above our area. So I think 50 meters off the ground is the perfect amount. Once we have set the height for our path, we go over to Tools, Options, and then we want to go to Touring, and we just want to adjust our settings here. I think 100 speed is way too fast, so we want to change that to 60. And camera angle tilt 60 is fine, and camera range 100 is fine as well. So this all looks good, I'd say. Apply and then OK. Now we want to hit this button here, which will just play our tour. But then we just want to hit pause on that for a sec before it starts playing. And now we want to set up our camera in front view. And to do this, we go over to Options, Capture / Screenshot, or you can just hit C on the keyboard for a shortcut. And what I usually do, I usually go option 7 for fixed screen rectangle, and these are the settings that I use. And I have automatic timer delay, and it takes a picture every 3 seconds. We can change this to go 2 seconds or even 1 second, but for this I will go 2 seconds. Then we can change the folder that the images will end up in. I already have mine set to where I want it to go. Once we click start, we want to click start on our tour as well. Once our tour has been completed, we can go over to the folder and we can see that all of our images are right here. Now we have all the images we need to create our 3D model through Photogrammetry. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.